Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me on the channel. And we got more toys from Bandai and from their anime heroes line. This one's from One Piece and it's Zoro, which, it dawns on me. I never realized they went back to calling him Zoro. I've been watching the new One Piece dub for how many years now? I thought they were still doing Zolo for some reason. Anyway, this is a action figure from the Anime Heroes lineup. It's from Bandai. We did this with the Chainsaw Man toy, and people seem to really enjoy it. So we're gonna look at another toy. This one this one's gonna be harder to unbox without damaging the box. I'm gonna do the best I can. Other characters that they have in this lineup include Monkey D. Luffy, Usopp, Sanji, Tony Chopper, Frankie, and Brock. Like no Nami, no Robin. Seriously, I'm just gonna hold my peace, but that seems like I'll just say it's a massive oversight from what I can see, but I'm not gonna make any accusations. I'll let you in the comments comment on whether or not you think that was intentional or just a really, really unfortunate oversight on this one. So let's take off the sticker, which there, toy's officially not worth as much as it was 10 seconds ago. But whatever, folks. I want to show you what it looks like out of the box as well as in the box. So let's open. I'm still trying to be a little careful here. It's like, when I was a kid, I used to not care about the box at all. Now it's like all I do is think about the box, it seems like. All right, so there we have him, and let's start. Ooh, there's like sword in the plastic, and Zoro, you're probably never going back in the box. I'm actually probably gonna find a pose for you and put you on my work desk. I'll see if my coworkers. Oh wow! So they really, yeah, Zoro, you are never going back in the box. They actually broke it. Is there another? Wow. They did not make this one unboxing friendly, but what the heck? We will keep trying. Come on. Ow, that actually hurt. That actually hurt. So, okay, we're finally getting him out. Okay. So his arm fell off. I mean, hopefully you can put it back in, but it's like that's not a great start, if you know what I mean. So okay, well, obviously one of Zoro's things. Oh wow, there's a sheath here. So I think one of these swords. Can one of these swords go back in here? Let me see, or is it just purely a decoration? Well, that doesn't go in there. I don't think this goes in there. No. So okay, so we have some empty sheaths here. So that's something. I actually have 3 sheaths here. Wow, you have 3 swords. Where'd the other sword go? This ended up being a far more complicated. Oh, it's right here. This ended up being a far more complicated unboxing than I realized. So okay, you can put one sword in one hand. I don't know if there's a specific way to do. That one doesn't seem to be fitting. What about, okay, that seems to fit. Put that in that one. Okay. And because there's no, that they actually taped this one shut. Wow. Okay, well, there we go. And then this one, because of that little thing, that one has to go in his mouth. This is actually really hard to do, folks. So, I mean, I know you're probably laughing right now, but this is not as easy to do as you would think. You'd think it would snap in or something, but it doesn't really do that. Oh well, there, we got them all in, and so now we can pose him. Whoa, dude, I'm just playing around with it a little bit. Why do the armpits and stuff the body parts keep falling off? This is and it's, don't tell me that that's not gonna be able to get that back on. Okay, I got it back on, but boy, I kind of feel like I almost have to treat this one with kid gloves. I mean, I like the idea that you can. Oh, the sword's already falling out again. You'd think it would click or something, but it doesn't seem to be doing that. So you know how the Chainsaw Man toy seemed pretty flexible? This seems not as flexible. In fact, it's very stiff, and as you've seen, every time I try to do something really unique with it, a body part falls out. I guess, okay, there, we can make him do that. I mean, I guess that kind of works. I'm kind of afraid to move him anymore, though, because it just has not been easy. So, yeah, I don't know about this one, folks. I mean, it kind of looks cool and everything, but aside from struggling to unbox it, it wasn't really that flexible. Like, I think one of the problems is the coat. Like, if the coat wasn't there, I could probably move the legs better, but it is there. Can you take the coat off? No, you can't. Not without breaking the toy. Of course you can't. Because otherwise, yeah, this thing is just, and you see, like, this leg right here, okay, it kind of, but everything feels so stiff on this one. I don't get it. Like, why was the Chainsaw Man toy so flexible and customizable while this one seems more limiting than anything? I don't get that one. So I don't know, folks, and I don't even know if he's standing up on his own or if he's just leaning up against the display that I have here. This one definitely seems like it wasn't thought out as well as it should have been. I mean, losing the arm, just taking it out of the box, that was like, whew, that, I don't know how I feel about that. Kind of almost suggests that it's not that stable. And then you have the sword sheaths. I don't know what you're supposed to do with them, though, because it's like, what are you going to do? Just like, it's that part of the decoration? I don't know. I don't think this one was as well thought out. And again, the main problem seems to be this coat. And I think that's preventing a lot of flexibility in this toy. And it's just bothering me. Like, come on. Really? That's what you wanted? Well, anyway, so that's the Rurouni no Zoro toy, the 3-sword style, the anime heroes action figure from the One Piece show. I don't know. Did anyone else get this toy? Are you having the same issues I have, or am I just being an idiot? Am I just not doing this correctly? I would love to know in the comment section below, especially if you have the toy, if you played with it. What do you do with it? Like, have you made it into a pose or anything? In fact, if you want to even share me what your images were on social media, you can find me at iCritic pretty much everywhere. And as always, take care of one another, and I'll see you at the movies.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters, and I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running, and of course is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.